Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can set up a Nintendo account on your Nintendo Switch. Now this video is aimed at beginners and I am based in the UK, but it will be a very similar process to other parts of the world as well. Now the reason you would want a Nintendo Switch account is because you're very limited to what you can do on the Nintendo Switch without one. If you want to download a free game from the eShop, you can't, because it will come up with this here. Please link a Nintendo account. So even though the game's free, let's say if you want to do Fortnite, you will still have to have an account just to be able to even get access to the eShop. So it's well worth getting yourself a Nintendo account, and it's really easy to do. Now to set it up, we can't actually do it just on the Nintendo Switch. We have to have a phone, tablet, laptop, PC, etc. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So I've got a little Windows 10 laptop here, and if you have a look, I've gone to www.nintendo.co.uk because I'm based in the UK. So obviously go to your particular Nintendo, just Google it and it will come up. Right, so I'm going to go to the top right hand corner where it says sign in. It says here create a Nintendo account, so we're going to go to create a Nintendo account. And it says for users aged 15 or under, or for users aged 16 or over. Well, I'm 16 or over, so I'm going to click that. Now if you have a look at this page here, you can sign in up the top using Facebook, Twitter, Google or Nintendo Network ID. And what this will do is it will fill in some of your information for you. So you're still going to have to choose, for example, a nickname and stuff like that, but it will just pre-fill some of the information. But it doesn't really take much longer if you don't want to go via that, just to fill in your own information here. So if you have a look, you've got nickname, email address, password, then you confirm your password, date of birth, you've got gender, country, region and time zone, and then we're going to go to continue down the bottom. So obviously I can fill some of this in here, but I can't do it all on camera. So male, country, region, time zone is that, date of birth. Right, so I'm going to do the rest of this off camera now. And now I'm clicking down the bottom where it says I agree to the terms. You've got to click on terms and conditions, and then the continue lights up in red. And now it says here Nintendo email preference. So it comes up with this screen here. Do you want to stay updated about our games, free demos and specials offers via email? You know, this is just the standard stuff. So you can either say receive or don't receive, that's your choice. And then you're going to click down the bottom, confirm and register. Again, I'm just going to move it off screen. Right, now it says here Nintendo accounts. A verification code has been sent to the email address you registered. Please enter the verification code from that email. So now you're going to have to log into your emails and you're going to have to put in the verification code here. Okay, so the verification code came through straight away, and I'm just going to enter it into here now. Under here it's a 4-digit code. And I'm just going to click on confirm just below it. Right, okay, so now it says congratulations, your Nintendo account has been created. Keep the following information somewhere safe. You will need it to sign into your Nintendo account using a different device, or if you forget your password. So obviously we now need this information to sign in on the Nintendo Switch. Account information, nickname my mate Vince, and it just goes down from there. Okay, so underneath that it's got my email address, and then it's got my password, and it's got my date of birth. And now I just need to click OK at the very bottom of the page, and that is it. We are now signed in. If you have a look in the top corner here, it now says my mate Vince, which is my nickname, but obviously it's going to come up with whatever nickname that you have. So now we need to bring these details over to the Nintendo Switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Nintendo eShop. Remember, I am connected to the internet and I've already got a user set up here. I'm going to sign in and link. And now it says sign in using an email address or sign in ID. So I'm going to click the top one. And now I've got to put in my email address and the password that you set up on your laptop or phone or whatever you've set it up on. So again, I've got to do this off camera. Okay, I've got to cover up that bit there, but as you can see here it says link a Nintendo account. The Nintendo account will be linked to the Nintendo Switch console. Note, once this is done you will not be able to change your linked account. And you can see now I can go to link here. It says please wait. And it says now, because you've linked your Nintendo account, you can use the following features: friend features, news about games and special offers, Nintendo eShop, and posting screenshots to social networks. So now I should be able to get access to the Nintendo eShop. Okay, it says Nintendo eShop. Enter the password for your Nintendo account. Right, if you select skip this step in the future, you will no longer need to enter your Nintendo account password. So it depends. If it's just you that's using it, then you might want to skip this step. But obviously if there's loads of other users using this, you might not want them to buy games and stuff underneath your name. So for me, I'm going to go to skip this step, but you have to decide that yourself. Password again. And now it's allowed me access to the Nintendo eShop. Now just to show you, because I clicked on that skip, if I was to go back to here and then go into the eShop again, next time I won't have to use that. But if you didn't click skip, then every time you do it, you will have to enter in your password. There we go. So now we can download a free game. So let's go to, well actually, let's do something quick. Let's go to recent releases. Let's go to YouTube. Free download. Free download. And now you will see that on my main screen here, I've got YouTube and it's starting to download. So you can see it's very easy to do, and it's well worth doing, because then you've got all the features that you would expect to have on the Nintendo Switch. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos in the future. Take care. Bye now.